Let me ask you this. How many times have you left a like on a YouTube video or a post on Facebook or Instagram? The answer is probably a lot. And today, I will show you an absolutely free and worldwide available website that will pay you real money for leaving those likes. Whether it's cryptocurrency or real cash, you will get paid. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so today guys, I have a site that probably most of you have never heard about before. This will actually pay you just for leaving likes. The site in question is called followfast.com, and as you can see, here you can earn money by liking pages and advertising your own page. Now obviously, we don't want to advertise ourselves. We are here to make money for free. But it's worth noting that you can advertise using this platform. Now with that said, as you can see below, it's free to join this website just like I promised you. And once you do join them, you'll be able to start accumulating points by leaving likes on Facebook posts, Instagram posts, YouTube videos, and so on. You will then have two options. You can redeem those points for money in either real cash or Bitcoin, or you can actually use them to advertise yourself if you wish so. Now, something worth noting about this site is that they've been around since 2012. So they've been around for quite some time, which mind you, is impossible if this is a scammy website, as they'll all disappear relatively quickly. This shows that this is actually a legit platform that we're talking about and that people have been using it for a lot of years in order to get paid. In case you still have doubts about this site, you can also click on payouts right over here. On the next page, you'll be able to see that there are people getting paid with this platform literally every single day through their preferred methods of payment, either perfect money or Bitcoin. And if you come to the bottom, you will see that there are over 150 pages of payment proofs, and I encourage all of you who have doubts about this site to go ahead and check them out. Now with that said guys, as you can see, this is not a lot of money, and I really want to emphasize that you can't make thousands of dollars a day or even a month with this platform, since after all, you're just getting paid for leaving likes, which only takes like a couple of seconds to do. Now with that said, if you stick with me, I will show you later on a way that you can use the site to get paid a bit more, so make sure you keep watching. Anyhow, in order to get started making money with this site, the first place that you have to do is to create an account, and as such, you need to click on join here. And what you'll need to do from there is enter in your unique username, enter your valid email address and your password. You will then need to confirm that same password, and to finish the process, just complete this CAPTCHA by entering in the numbers that will be shown here before clicking on the join button just below. And just a side note, this referral box is for people who have been referred to this website. And obviously, since no one referred you, you won't need to fill it in order to register. When you create and log in into your brand new account, this is what you'll come across and how everything will look. In the upper left corner, this is where you'll be able to see the amount of points that you have earned, which you will then exchange for money or cryptocurrency by clicking on Cash Out right over here. Now on the very next page, you'll be able to choose your preferred payment option. And check this out guys, while this site only offers perfect money and Bitcoin, you can use magneticexchange.com here to get paid through the likes of Advanced Cash, Xmo, FaceApay, NetTeller, and many more. So while at first glance, it might seem that you don't have that many payment options, thanks to this magnetic exchange app over here, you can get paid in other ways as well. And the whole process is very well explained on this page. so I won't go into much detail about it in order for us to save time in this video. Now with that being said, something I really love about this site that I think that you will too is the daily bonus, which you can check out by clicking on here. And take a look at this. By logging in every single day and just liking 15 videos or posts, you will be able to earn an extra amount of 100 points. And by leaving 3 likes per hour, you'll be able to earn 25 points per hour, which if you do the math, well, you can go over 100 points in just a single day. And let's face it guys, liking 15 videos and leaving 3 likes an hour won't take that much time and effort. So these two features are very awesome in my opinion, as they allow you for a tiny amount of effort in order to earn a bit more money. Now with all of that said, let me now show you actually how you'll be able to get paid by liking YouTube videos. In order to get started, you need to click on this icon right over here, and what you'll need to do now is simply click on like here for this site to take you to the YouTube video in question. Like this one for example here. You will then leave a like, wait a few seconds, close the page, and when you come back over to the site, you will see that you got new points added to your account. And you can just rinse and repeat from there, and just like that, all of these videos that you can see, you will earn points. Now in case some of you are having trouble of receiving them, it's most likely because you are closing the YouTube videos too quickly. Make sure that after you leave a like, you must wait at least 2 to 3 seconds so that you actually get paid. Now with that said, there is another way for you to make money with this website, one I promised I would show you in the beginning. And that way is through the use of their referral system. To access it, you wanna hover your mouse over this arrow and select referrals down below. You'll be able to see your referral link right here, and if you scroll further down, you'll see that you'll earn 10% of what the other people you referred to here has made. So, if you refer 10 people to this site, and they all make $100 combined, that means you would earn $10 in passive income. Now obviously, it's not a mind-boggling amount of cash, but it's made in passive income and with no skills or experience. You just refer those people to this platform and your work is done. Now since this is a make money online site, a good way for you to refer people is simply by using social media. Make money online Facebook groups are great for that purpose, as well as Instagram make money online pages. By sharing your referral link with those people who want to make money online as well, you can easily get a lot of clicks, and once people sign up to this platform and start earning money, you will do so as well. Now with that said, referring people to here is an optional step, even though I would recommend it. If you just want to get paid by liking videos on this site, then that's fine as well. You'll still be able to make a decent amount of money. And that's it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.